Watch this video and learn how to draw a koala bear. Later in the show, Artie's friends, Zip and Bob, call in on a felt time. And watch to the end to see Artie in a cartoon. Are you ready, Artie?
Yeah.
Are you ready, little artists? Come on, everyone, it's Artie's show.
Come on, kids, let's run, let's brush. Grab a pencil, chalk, or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie!
Hello, little artist.
Hi, Artie. How are you today?
Artie's in a very good mood. Thank you for asking.
My pleasure. Should we make some art today?
Yeah.
How about a drawing?
Okay. Yeah. Whoa.
Hello, little artists!
Hey kids, how's it going?
I'm ready. What are we going to draw today?
Well, I thought we could draw a koala bear.
Oh, yeah. That'll be great. Oh, I'm excited. Yeah. Okay. Let's start.
Let's hop to it!
Let's start by drawing our koala bear's left eye. We'll draw an oval shape towards the top of the page on the left side, and then draw a little black circle inside and shade it in black. Shade it all the way in. Oh, it looks a bit like a fried egg, Artie.
Oh, yeah.
Artie likes fried eggs. Now let's draw the right eye, exactly the same as the left. Draw an oval shape first, and then a little black circle inside shaded in. If Artie's drawing a little too quick, here's a message from Louie. If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling. Thanks, Louie. That was great. Okay, Artie, let's draw our koala bear's nose. We'll draw a teardrop shape. Now let's shade it in black. You've got to be patient, Artie. Take your time and don't shade outside the lines. Great job, Artie. Oh, here's Bunny Fluffington.
Artie, Bunny's here!
Hi, Bunny.
Hi! Oh, wow! Your art makes my whiskers wiggle with joy.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Now hop to it.
Bye.
Bye!
Ah, that was cute. Okay, Artie, let's draw a little U shape for the mouth. Now let's start drawing the head. On the left side, draw a curve and come all the way up beside the left eye. Then go across for the top of the head. Very good.
I don't know what it's gonna be, but it sure looks good.
It really does, Mikey.
Now let's draw the right side of the face. Come all the way down the right side, Artie. All the way down, and then at the bottom, go in with a little hook shape. Really good. Now let's go all the way across and give him a chin. Excellent.
Oh, I wonder who it is. It's a felt time. Who could it be?
Hey!
Hi, greetings, Artie. We're calling from Earth.
Yeah! Zip and I, we need to report back to our planet about your show.
Hi, Zip. Hi, Bob. What's up?
Oh, we want to let them know that your show is full of amazing Earth art. Oh, like when you drew that happy moon, it was stellar!
Yeah! And the rain cloud dance break, we tried it on our ship, but the rain part didn't work. No water in space.
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay, guys. You can use your imagination, like I do when I draw.
Oh, hey, Artie, can you show us just one thing that we can share with our non-Earth friends? Like something easy to try?
Sure. How about drawing a star? Just draw a triangle on the top, a triangle on the bottom, 2 triangles on the sides, and connect them together.
Wow! Triangle, triangle, ta-da! Zip, 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 zip. We're gonna be space famous for this! Yay!
Wow, thanks so much, Artie. Your art is going to shine all over the galaxy.
Thanks, Zip and Bob. Let me know if any of your alien friends send back any art too.
Oh, we will!
We will.
Bye,
Artie, thank you.
Bye, Zip and Bob. Bye.
That sure was a great felt time.
Yeah.
So much fun.
Yeah.
They're funny.
Yeah.
All right, should we carry on? Let's draw the left ear. A big curvy shape and then 2 smaller curvy shapes underneath. Now do the same drawing again inside the ear, but smaller. Try and make it exactly the same. Coming up, Artie learns all about the colour grey in a cartoon. Now let's draw the right ear. We're going to try and make it match the left one, but in the opposite direction. This is called a reflected image because it's a reflection of what we drew on the left side, like looking in a mirror. Okay, Artie, I think we should start drawing his body. Draw a nice curved line coming down from the bottom of the head on the left side.
Wow, Artie, what a drawing! It's really singing to me. Sing away, it's singing to me. Okay.
Thank you, Barry. Don't call us, we'll call you. Now let's carry that line all the way up to the right side of the page. Keep going all the way past and then curl along at the top like a little hook shape. Now from the right side of his chin, curve back down. Now let's draw a big U shape right in the middle of his chest. Oh yes, that looks great.
Oh, could we please have a cartoon break?
You want a cartoon break?
Yes, please.
Well, I suppose we could.
Yay! Cartoon break. Cartoon break.
Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured grey.
Artie loves grey. Look, grey birdies. La 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 la. The sidewalk is grey. Yay, a grey statue. A grey squirrel.
Well done, Artie. You found lots of grey things.
Artie found grey. That was a really good cartoon break.
It was a great one.
Yeah.
Should we finish the drawing?
Oh, yeah.
Let's hop to it.
Okay.
Let's give him a tail. We'll draw a sort of sideways heart shape. Why don't we draw a branch of a tree that he can be hanging onto? Draw a big curved line going up, make sure you stop, and then carry on again above the body. And another curved line to the right, but don't forget to stop when you get to the body. That's it, and then carry on again. Good job, Artie. Let's add a big leaf at the top. Oh, this is a good drawing, Artie.
That looks so neat, Artie.
Yeah, it's really cool.
It is, guys, isn't it? Artie's really doing a great job today. Oh, he's adding another leaf. Wow. A third leaf. There's no stopping you, Artie. Oh, let's add some little curved lines inside the branch. That'll make it seem a little bit more round and less flat. Well, I don't know about you, little artists, but I think Artie's finished.
I'm finished.
I thought so. It's great.
Yeah,
Now what?
it's coloring time. Ooh.
Coloring it in is my favorite part.
All done. Oh,
Really good job, Artie.
yeah.
I love the pink and grey colours.
Oh, it came out so good.
It sure did.
Artie's really happy.
Oh, I'm pleased.
Have a great day, Artie.
See you soon.
Have an Artie day.
We hope you had fun. Thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you next time. Okay, bye-bye. Have an Artie day. Bye.